Hello and welcome to our second unit of second semester. This is the work, power, and energy unit. And if you just noticed, they have one kitty up at the top of the stairs, right? And one kitty here at the bottom of the stairs. See if she'll go up. Anyway, I'll talk about them in a sec. They just happen to be here, but I want to talk about work. Work is the energy you use up to move something. So I can push on this wall all day long, right? And how much does it move? It doesn't move. So I am not doing any work on the wall. So, but if I move up, every time I lift myself up, I am doing work on myself because I'm moving myself. So to get work, we take our force, which in this case would be my weight, multiply by the distance that I moved up the stairs. All right, so work is measured in joules, just like energy, because work is energy. It's the energy you use up to move something. Now, next thing is called power. Power is a measure of how fast you can do the work. So, like I moved up these stairs pretty slowly. If I turned around and ran up the stairs, do you think I'd have more power or less power? If you said I'd have more power running, you are correct. So, the rate at which you do work is your power. And there's a lot of different kinds of power. There's power of, me moving up the stairs, and then there's also power of the flashlight. And so the flashlight kind of power, it's the rate at which energy is converted from electrical energy into light. And it makes a little heat too, but this is an LED, so it doesn't make very much. But anyway, it's still the rate at which energy is used up. But it can't be destroyed, so it has to be converted. That's the conservation of energy. So as I move up the stairs, what is happening to my potential energy? If you said it was increasing, then you are correct, because the higher up you go, the more potential energy you have. And this potential energy can be converted into kinetic by losing potential and gaining kinetic. So if I drop this, see if I can get it up there. As it fell, what happened to the amount of potential energy? If you said it went down, you are correct. What happened to the amount of kinetic energy as it was falling? If you said it increased, you are correct, because it falls faster and faster and faster. And what makes things fall faster and faster and faster and faster? And if you said gravity, the acceleration due to gravity, then you are correct. So all of physics is connected. The acceleration due to gravity is connected to the conservation of energy. It's all just connected.